What's up, Freedom Gorillas? Today we have yet another co-witness guide for you on the Springfield Echelon with all of the Trijicon RMR footprint optics. Let's get into it. And if you didn't already know, all co-witness is referring to is how much of your iron sights are visible through the window of your optic. And of course, as always, all of the optics that you see in today's video can be found at freedomgorilla.com for the best price, free shipping. We have a link down in the description below. Go click that link and get yourself set up. The optics we'll be featuring in today's video are the standard Trijicon RMR, the Trijicon RMR HD, the Trijicon SRO, and of course the Trijicon RCR. And one more thing to note, on the Trijicon RCR, we do have to use these provided 632 screws that have these little holes in the top because it is a very specific mounting system. It is an RMR footprint, but it does mount slightly different, so just something to note. Basically, you insert the screw in here, you put it down on the optic, and then you stick the Allen key into these holes and turn it to mount it. Like I said, it is RMR footprint, but it uses a slightly different screw and mounting system for the optic itself. The screw does not just go down through the top. Just thought it was something important to note, let you guys know that it is slightly different. So a couple of things to note about the pistol before we get started. This particular model is the 4.0C. That isn't going to make much of a difference because we have the same iron sights as the full-sized and all of the other models essentially, so the co-witness will be the same on the other models. Another thing to note, this uses Springfield's multi-footprint optic system, so this optic will direct mount to this slide. And one more thing, we are going over all of the Trijicon RMR footprint optics, as I said, excluding the RMR CC, as it is a slightly different footprint and will require an adapter plate, or in this case, changing out these little dowels in the slide to a different location to fit that particular optic. Alrighty guys, and that is the full co-witness guide for all of the Trijicon RMR footprint optics on the Springfield Echelon. Some important things to mention. There is quite a difference in the deck height of some of these optics. So you are going to get quite a bit higher co-witness on the standard RMR as opposed to something like the RCR that has a much higher deck height. That being said, I think all of these optics still have a fairly usable co-witness and are all more than acceptable to use with the standard iron sights on this pistol. And as I said in the beginning, you can find all of the optics that you see in today's video at freedomgorilla.com. Best price, free shipping. We have the link down in the description below. Go click that link, get yourself set up. You will be glad that you did. Remember to subscribe to Freedom Gorilla for the best optic content on YouTube. Thank you all so much for watching, and we will see you guys in the next video.